In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play the strongest battlegrounds on controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to use a controller to play the strongest battlegrounds. Not only will you be able to access the experience using a controller, you will be able to do combos, switch characters, do emotes, do whatever you wish using only your controller. So for this video, I am recording on my PC where I usually play using a keyboard and mouse, but this time I have a controller connected, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to get it working. So all that you have to do is go over to these servers or just join a public one. For this video, I'm going to join a private server to demonstrate this, but it is going to work flawlessly with any server that you join. If you are doing this process on a console, such as Xbox or PlayStation, everything will be adjusted natively, so you don't even have to worry. As soon as you join the experience, you will be good to go. Now, as you can see on PC, as soon as I joined the experience, by looking at the bottom left and on my abilities, everything was adjusted to the buttons on my controller. So now jump is set to A, X is set to block, I can dash with Y, do M1s or attack with B, and I can lock onto enemies by pressing down on the left joystick. So you don't have to do any sort of setup. As soon as you join, you will be good to go. You can use L1, L2, R1, and R2, or also known as left bumper, left trigger, right bumper, and right trigger to use your ability. So I can use normal punch with the left bumper. I'll be able to run over to my opponent, dash to him, use the uppercut with the right bumper, and so on. There's a lot to do, and everything is adjusted for the console experience, so you don't have to worry. If you are doing this on PC, you will also see this button over here at the top right corner of the screen. You can turn on controller mode, and this is going to hide the menu, so you have to press down on the D-pad to access this menu. This kind of simulates the experience of playing on a console. So you don't have to do this, but if you wish to get the full experience, you can go ahead and press that option. And now, like I said, strongest battlegrounds will be adjusted for any controller that you connect. I hope I was able to help you on how to play the strongest battlegrounds on controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.